Hello. Well, in this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch. You can do a blanket, a scarf, whatever you like to do. This stitch has only 2 rows repeat. It's gonna go fast, but keep in mind it's gonna eat a lot of yarn. So if you make a blanket, make sure that you have enough yarn to do this stitch. This is the front of the stitch and this is the back. Well, pretty much reversible. So if you like to make something with this stitch, well, give it a try. The stitch is very easy and goes really fast. So with this stitch, we're gonna chain multiples of 4 plus 3 more. So I chain my multiples of 4 here. So now I'm gonna chain 3 more. Okay. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna skip the first 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, yarn over the hook. Into the 4th chain we're gonna do a double crochet, yarn over the hook, and now in each chain until we finish this row we're gonna place a double crochet. So move to the next chain and we're gonna do a double crochet, next chain, double crochet, and so on. In each chain, double crochet. I think if you use for a blanket a thick yarn, I think this stitch will look nicer. You can try with a thin yarn, but that's gonna take like forever to finish whatever you want to do. Yeah, with a thick yarn goes really fast, this stitch. But like I said, if you want to do something big, a big project, a blanket, even a baby blanket, it's gonna take a lot of yarn. But you can use scraps, yarn that if the yarn is the same size, you can use for a blanket, and you get rid of yarn and you're ready to buy a new one. So in the last chain we did a double crochet. Now we're gonna chain 4. You're always gonna chain 4 each time you finish the row. So now we're gonna skip the first 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4th we're gonna skip, and we're gonna go between the 4th and the 5th into the space here, not into the stitch, into the space. We're gonna skip the 4 double crochet, and in the space there we're gonna go and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 4. And now again you're gonna skip the 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in between 5th and 4th into the space you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a single crochet, then chain 4, and again you're gonna skip the next 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now depends if you like to go into the space here and do a single crochet, or you go on top chain here. I'm gonna go into the top chain and I'm gonna do a single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work. And now what we're gonna do, in this 4 chain space we're gonna place 3 double crochets. So yarn over the hook, well, not double crochets, triple crochet. So what you're gonna do with a triple, for those of you that you're not familiar with that, you're gonna put the yarn twice, once, twice over the hook. Then you're gonna go into that 4 chain space, pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull the yarn to the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull the yarn to the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull the yarn to the last 2 loops, and that it's a triple crochet. So yarn over the hook twice and you do this. So we have 1 more to do. Well, we put only 3 here because the chain 4 counts as a triple crochet, let's say. So you're gonna do only 3 triple crochets there. So again, now you're gonna move to the next 4 chain space, yarn over the hook twice, and you're gonna place in this 4 chain space 4 triple crochets. And that's why I said this one is gonna eat a lot of yarn if you choose to do a big project. The triple crochet takes a lot, uses a lot of yarn. So one more. Now for this stitch, only 2 rows repeat. It's very easy. So again, you're gonna move to the next 4 chain space, and you're gonna place in there 4 triple crochets. Okay, one more. Yeah, it's very easy, this one. And again, you want to chain 4. You always want to chain 4 at the end each time you finish the row. So now we're gonna skip this. So this is the row that you're gonna, these 2 rows, this one the we just did, and the next one now. Well, it's the second row and the third row that we're gonna keep doing this. So we're gonna skip these 4 double crochet, and in the space between the clusters of double crochet, in this space here, you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 4, and you're gonna skip the next 4 double crochet, and in the space right here between the clusters of triple crochet, you're gonna do a single crochet. So if you like, you can do with only double crochet instead of triple crochet. So again, you're gonna chain 4. So you're gonna skip these 3. So like I said, if you like to go into the space, the chain space here, or you go on top of the chain right here, and you're gonna do in there a single crochet, chain 4, turn your work. It's gonna look like this. After you do more rows, this hole that you see here, this space, it's gonna kind of close a little bit, so it's not gonna be like this. Yeah, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now yarn over the hook twice. In this 4 chain space, we're gonna do 3 triple crochets. Okay, so with the chain 4 here, we have 4 triple crochets. So yarn over the hook twice, and again you're gonna move to the next 4 chain space, and in there you're gonna put 4 triple crochets. So we have 4, yarn over the hook twice, and when you reach the end, doesn't matter how many chains you're gonna put, when you reach the end you're gonna do the same. In this 4 chain space you're gonna place 4 triple crochets. But like I said, if you like to do only with the double crochet, then do with a double crochet. But this, if you do with triple, it's gonna go faster. You're gonna finish, for example, if you do a blanket, you're gonna finish faster. So you placed 4 triple crochets, you're gonna chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn your work, and now you're gonna repeat. You skip this 4 and do in the space here, you're gonna do a single crochet. You chain 4, you skip this double crochets, and in here in this space you're gonna do a single crochet, and again you're gonna chain 4, and either you go into the space or the chain space here, or you go on top of the chain here and you do a single crochet and you chain 4, and you start again placing 4 triple crochets into the 4 chain space. So that's about it. It's a very easy, and if you see, if you put it like this, it starts already to kind of close these holes, the space in there. You see, you cannot see so big the holes. Yeah, yeah, this is the stitch. So for example, if you have a lot of yarn that it's left over from other projects that you did, and if the yarn is the same size, you can make a blanket, you can make anything you like and get rid of yarn. Yeah. So we have I have the chain 4 here, so to do in each 4 triple crochets. But I think with a triple crochet looks much nicer. For example, I have a sample here that I did with the double crochet. This is the double crochet. This is the back. So if you like with the, which one do you like? For example, with the double, this one, or with the triple crochet, this one. So you choose which one you like. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.